in line with Singapore's Smart Nation vision. One of Pan Pacific Hotels Group's operation goals is to achieve higher productivity through technology. In 2017, we partnered local startup Evercom Singapore to pilot a centralized predictive maintenance solution at Park Royal on Beach Road.
We found that our staff were spending a lot of time collecting, processing, and reporting data for our chiller plant operations. They are usually fully deployed on scheduled tasks, including routine on-site inspections when we receive ad hoc emergency requests. Our maintenance planner has to manually send a work order to the supervisor, who could then assign the job. Upon fixing the equipment defects, a manual report needs to be filed before they can report to the management. The Innovation Challenge 2017 by the Singapore Tourism Board was timely, as we had planned to upgrade our aging system to an automated one. Using the digitized chiller operations management system, we were able to improve our workflow, efficiency, and productivity, as our associates can now access chiller plant data on a real-time basis. Upon implementation, we're able to achieve a 50% reduction in human effort savings, or 0.4 FTE savings.
We can now remotely monitor performance of SVSE systems, specifically chillers, heat pumps, and air handlers across multiple properties via our dashboard on web and mobile. The data enable us to develop a system that is able to predict maintenance work and manage the SVSE system centrally. The AI assistant can predict breakdowns of the chillers and send alerts to us via the AI chatbot or web app. This reduces the need for us to conduct on-site inspections or troubleshooting, thus improving our productivity.
The system is supported by its own wireless sensor network and protocol in order to avoid potentially interfering with the hotel's existing Wi-Fi network. This IoT infrastructure framework is also supported by an open source networking technology, which allows us to use low-cost hardware and embedded systems, instead of relying on the costly proprietary hardware controllers. We follow the design thinking methodology in order to overcome the challenge of designing the centralized system. A cross-functional team was formed, including facility experts, data scientists, in-house engineers, technicians, as well as our third-party domain partners, in order to brainstorm the existing operational problems, generate design options together, and finally define the right design criteria for the centralized system.
Good change management played an important role in managing the operation associates' concerns. We conducted classroom training to share the benefits and importance of a centralized system. The new system was installed in parallel to the existing system, so that operations associates can try out the new system without operational risk.
We are implementing the solution in other Pan Pacific and Park Royal properties in Singapore. We are also exploring the possibility of adopting further enhancements, such as building digital equipments and energy profiles across different types and models of equipments. Pan Pacific Hotels Group is open to exploring new solutions. We look forward to supporting Singapore's startups and contributing to the development of the hospitality industry, as we strive to maintain our position as a leader in sustainable hospitality.